सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच सेक्शन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक रिलीफ एक्ट प्रोहिबिट्स filing a case against the government? Answer option A, section 5. Question number 2, the Patent Act become a law in? Answer option A, 1970. Question number 3, which is the authority that means determine the language of the court other than the High Court within a given state under section 271 of CRPC? Answer option A, state government. Question number 4, a decree can be? Answer option D, either preliminary or final. Question number 5, foreign judgment is defined in CPC? Answer option A, under section 2 clause 6 of CPC. Question number 6, the provision of the establishing public service commission is made under? Answer option B, article 315. Question number 7, the minimum number of persons required to be incorporate a public company is? Answer option C, 7. Question number 8, a private company can commence business as soon as it receives? Answer option A, certification of incorporation. Question number 9, which of the following is not an essential of a contract of guarantee? Answer option D, existence of only one contract. Question number 10, the term agent is defined in Indian Contract Act under section? Answer option C, 182 of this act. Question number 11, what is the maximum number of partners in the banking business? Answer option B, 10. Question number 12, a person who gives the guarantee in? Answer option D, surety. Question number 13, which is not a right of unpaid seller against the goods? Answer option D, to ascertain price. Question number 14, section 36 to 42 of Specific Relief Act provides? Answer option D, none of above. Question number 15, which of the following is not a civil nature? Answer option A. Answer option A, right to take out possession. Question number 16, a suit where the doctrine res judicata applies? Answer option D, none of above. Answer option A, the suit is liable to be dismissed. Question number 17, under section 16 CPC, a suit relating to immovable property can be filed in a court whose local jurisdiction is? Answer option is A, where the property is situated. Question number 18, pleading means? Answer option A, plenty and written statement. Question number 19, on failure to file a written statement under the order 8 rule 10 of CPC, the court may? Answer option D, any of above. Question number 20, under section 59 to 60 of Indian Evidence Act, the oral statement means? Answer Option A. All statements made before the court by the witnesses. Question number 21. Under the Evidence Act, court includes answer option D, A and B. Question number 22. Administrability of contents of electronic records may be proved in accordance with the provision of answer option C under section 65B of Indian Evidence Act. Question number 23, which is not a public record as per the provisions of Indian Evidence Act. Answer option C, documents and correspondence from advocate and notary office. Question number 24, section 67 of Motor Vehicle Act 1988 provides answer option D, state government's power to control the road transport. Question number 25, provisions of section 80 of CPC are binding on answer option D, all of the above. Question number 26, temporary injunction can be granted, answer option B, ex parte. Question number 27, right to appeal is a answer option C, statutory rights. Question number 28, the last amendment to the Indian Succession Act was made in answer option C, 2002. Question number 29, which is the correct statement? Answer option A, there can be a will without a codicil. Question number 30, as per section 63 of Indian Succession Act, A will should be arrested by answer option B, by two or more witnesses. Question number 31, Adit was under Mohammedan laws refers to answer option D, none of the above. Question number 32, under the Christian Marriage Act, the marriage registrar for any district is appointed by answer option A, state government. Question number 33, the word ombudsman is derived from answer option C, Swadesh administration. Question number 34, under section 3 of the Commission of Inquiry Act 1952, an inquiry commission is appointed by answer option A, state government or central government. Question number 35, Information Technology Act was enacted in answer option C, 2000. Question number 36, Government of India passed Information Technology Act in 2000 with objectives. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 37, right to personal liberty includes answer option D, all of the above. Question number 38, the Supreme Commander of the Defence Force of the India, answer option A, President. Question number 39, retirement age of the Supreme Court judge is answer option D, 65 years. Question number 40, Criminal Procedure Code is a subject of answer option A, concurrent list. Question number 41, Question number 41, bailable and non-bailable offence has been under defined in option A, section 2 clause A of CRPC. Question number 42, under section 21 of the CRPC, special executive magistrate may be appointed by answer option D, state government. Question number 43, police may carry out personal search on an arrested person, answer option C, under section 51 of CRPC. Question number 44, the special court is answer option A, not subordinate to high court. Question number 45, the powers under 159 of CRPC can be exercised by the magistrate, answer option A, when the police decides not to investigate the case. Question number 46, statement recorded during the investigation under section 161 can be used in trial? Answer option A, for contradicting the witnesses. Question number 45. Power of taking cognizance of offence by a magistrate of first class or second class is provided. Answer option B, under section 190 of CRPC. Question number 48. Additions or alteration of charges is provided in CRPC. Answer option B, under section 215. Question number 49. Under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, the person who is taken in adoption, answer option A, must be a Hindu only. Question number 50. Polygamy was permitted for Hindus before the year. Answer option C, 1955. Question number 51. Mohan gets married to his sister's daughter Kirti. Answer option A, the marriage is valid if the custom allows it. Question number 52. Within the Purview of Water Act, the meaning of stream is defined it as, answer option D, includes a river, a water course and subterranean water. Question number 53. What is the mean by homicide? Answer option C, killing of a human being by another human being. Question number 54. Adulteration of food or drink is a punishable offence. Answer option C, section 7 under section 272 to 273 of IPC. Question number 55. Maximum punishment for waging a war against the government of India under IPC is, answer option D, death sentence. Question number 56. Offences relating to elections are, answer option B, are introduced in the IPC by the subsequent amendment. Question number 57. Rupa Bajaj versus KPS Gill is a famous case which the Supreme Court decides on. Answer option C, outrage the modesty of women. Question number 58. Section 154 under IT Act is, answer option C, rectification of mistakes. Question number 59. Which of the following is not included in the capital asset under section 2 clause 14 of the Income Tax Act? Answer option B, none of the above. Question number 60. The language which is used in the arbitral proceeding is decided by the, answer option B, by parties to decide by the mutual understandings. Question number 61. The arbitral proceeding shall stand terminated. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 62. Every award of Lok Adalat is deemed to be a, answer option C, decree of a civil court. Question number 63. The Arbitration and the Conciliation Act 1996 sections 18 to 27 states, answer option A, the conducting of the arbitral proceedings. Question number 64. Which one is not a fundamental right? Answer option B, right to be property. Question number 65. In the Menka Gandhi case, it observed that, answer option C, right to go abroad is within the ambit of Article 19, Clause 1, Clause A, but the confession of passport is not accordance to the law. Question number 66. Reasonable restrictions can be imposed on the right of free movement. Answer option A, in the interest of a general public. Question number 67. Which of the following can claim Article 19 of Constitution? Answer option C, only citizens. Question number 68. Clause 3 of Article 20, Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution says that no accused shall be compelled to be. Answer option C. A witnesses against himself. Question number 69. Indira Swarne versus Union of India is properly known as. Answer option B. Illegal detention cases. Question number 70. Due to the outcome of this case, slum dwellers were benefited. Answer option B. Oligar Thalis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. Question number 71. A public interest litigation can be filed under. Answer option C. A and B. Question number 72. Supreme Court is SP Gupta versus Union of India AIR 1982 SC 149 decided. Answer option B. Bounded labors. Question number 73. Supreme Court in a PIL known as Kamal Nath case involved. Answer option A. Basic future and basic structure doctrine. Question number 74. Vishakha versus State of Rajasthan case is related to. Answer option A. Sexual harassment as workplace. Question number 75. Court's power to award compensation is provided in Specific Relief Act. Answer option B. Under section 21. Question number 76. Proving the handwriting is provided in Indian Evidence Act. Answer option D. A and B. Question number 77. Section 26 of Indian Evidence Act is provided. Answer option D. A and C. Question number 78. The term evidence means and include. Answer option B. Documentary evidence. Question number 79. Section 2 Clause 1 ZB of the trademark at 1999 defines the meaning of. Answer option B. Trademark. Question number 80. Outrage at the modesty of women in punishable under IPC. Answer Section 376 Clause A. Question number 81. Section 463 of the Indian Penal Code deals with the crime of. Answer option C. Forgery. Question number 82. Criminal intimidation is explained in IPC under. Answer option B. None of the above. Question number 83. The case Krishna Gopal versus State of MP relates to. Answer option C. Air pollution and noise pollution. Question number 84. What is the punishment for advocates if the established finding of Bar Council is misappropriation? Answer option B. Name of the advocate will be struck off from the rolls. Question number 85. On being aggrieved by the order of the State Bar Council, one can appeal to. Answer option C. Bar Council of India. Question number 86. Which section of Advocates Act provides for punishment for conduct of advocates? Answer option B. Section 35. Question number 87. Section 24 of Advocates Act deals with. Answer option A. Qualification of advocates who should be enrolled in the bar. Question number 88. Under the Workmen's Compensation Act, which is helpful, decides the extent of injury for compensation. Answer option D. B and C. Question number 89. Question number 89. Section 23 of Workmen's Compensation Act 1923 says that the Commissioner shall have the power of. Answer option A. A court. Question number 90. The objective of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 is answer option D, all of the above. Question number 91. Section 2, Clause Q of Industrial Dispute Act 1947 provides the definition of answer option C, strike. Question number 92. The Land Acquisition Act came into the force from answer option D, 1st March 1894. Question number 93. Under the Land Acquisition Act, the arable land means answer option C, useful for cultivation. Question number 94. Check bouncing cases charged under section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act is tried by answer option C, magistrate court. Question number 95. The term tort is a answer option A, Latin word. Question number 96. In tort, what is the vicarious liability? Answer option B, a person is liable for the wrongful act done by other person. Question number 97. Under section 2, clause 1, clause F of a Consumer Protection Act 1986, defect it means by any fault, imperfection or shortcoming in dash in relation of goods. Answer option D, none of the above. Question number 98. Which of the following falls under the categories of the act of goods? Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 99. Income Tax Act was enacted in answer option B, 1961. Question number 100 is income is defined under section 24 of the Income Tax Act as answer ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।